Good morning and welcome to Hippie Christmas. So, I apologize once again for the internet interruptions, but yesterday we were assured that the internet problems, which wasn't just us, I guess it was an area thing with CenturyLink. Anyways, they say that they have the issue fixed, so I should be able to get this uploaded as soon as the washing is complete. Anyways, this is the tapestry that I went ahead and dyed on Wednesday anyways. I called it a circle DNA V because I tied it up in a circle shape, and then I dyed it in a V shape, and then on the back side I rotated the colors. So that's where I got the circular V DNA from, and it was just a meditation idea. I get these that come to me all the time. This one just happened to be a method of folding and dyeing it. So let's open this thing up and see what we got here. So it looks like we're going to get some nice color bleeding in there. So I'm going to open this all the way up. Alrighty, here we go. Alrighty, well, not quite as exciting as I thought it would be, but I still like it. So we'll get this washed up and posted later. Thank you for watching.